Annyeong, Zeya. I'm Faith Nuego, and this is my entry for Guru Pop event. I want to show my love for you. Sorry, I can't show my face because I'm not good in camera, but here's some of my picture, and this is my only message for Zeya. Guys, thank you for being so great in your every dance, in your every songs, in your every smiles. You make me happy, guys. Thank you very much. And also, thank you for visiting my country, Philippines. I'm so happy that you guys are here in the Philippines last, I think it's February, but I'm not there to see you. I'm so sad for that, but it's okay because at least you visited my country. I'm so very happy for that. Zeya, more power. You're so a great boy group, K-pop group in Korea. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for every songs and dances you made. You're so great, guys. I'm so blessed to know your group, and I'm so thankful to know your group. And I wish that someday I will see you in person. I can talk with you. Oh, that's my only dream, Zeya. Thank you very much, and I hope that you appreciated this video I made for you. You're the best group. More power. Fighting, Zeya. Fighting. Thank you very much. And my wish is in the next year and forever, your group will be the most popular boy group in Korea and all over the world. More power, Zeya. You're the best group, and always give your best in your every performance, and always trust God in everything you do. Ask Him for strength and more skills because God can give you the best in all you do. Thank you very much, Zeya. God bless. And also, Guru Pop, thank you for giving me a chance to show my love in Zeya. Thank you, guys. Annyeong. Bye-bye. Saranghae.